Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download NetApp Cloud Manager for data services, detailed guide step by step clearly. To download NetApp Cloud Manager for data services, start by visiting the official NetApp website. In the search bar, type Cloud Manager and press enter. From the search results, select the link that directs you to the Cloud Manager product page. On the Cloud Manager page, look for the download button or section. Click on the download button to initiate the download process. You may be prompted to create or log in to your NetApp account. If you need to create an account, fill in the required details and follow the verification process. Once logged in, proceed to the download section again. Select the appropriate version of Cloud Manager that matches your system requirements. After selecting the version, click on the download link. The download will begin automatically, and you can monitor its progress in your browser. Once the file has completed downloading, navigate to your Downloads folder. Locate the downloaded installation file. Double-click the installation file to start the setup process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Cloud Manager on your system. During installation, you may need to accept the license agreement. Choose the installation directory, or accept the default location provided. Click on the Install button to begin the installation. Wait for the installation process to finish. Once the installation is complete, you will see a confirmation message. You can now launch NetApp Cloud Manager from your Applications menu. With the application open, log in using your NetApp account credentials. You are now ready to configure and manage your data services using Cloud Manager. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.